Hey everyone, welcome back with another helpful tutorial. Today, I'm going to guide you through the process of setting up your very own iCloud account directly from your iPhone. Let's jump right into it. Now, there are a few different methods you can use to create an iCloud account on your iPhone. You could go through the App Store, but if you want an iCloud email address or an Apple ID with the @iCloud domain, you'll need to navigate through the Settings app. So, let's head over to Settings. Once it is opened, scroll down and tap on Contacts. Then click on Accounts. Since I've already added an account, it's showing here. From there, select Add Account. But if you're setting up your account for the first time, you'll only see the Add Account option. You will see several accounts. Tap on it, then select iCloud. And finally, choose Create a new Apple ID. Now, you'll need to provide some basic information such as your name, date of birth, phone number, and email address. For the email address, tap on Use Email Address. If you have a Gmail account, use it. If you don't have an email address, don't worry. You can easily get a free iCloud email address by tapping on Don't Have an Email Address and then selecting Get a New iCloud Email Address. Next, enter the desired name for your iCloud account followed by @iCloud.com. If the name is available, you'll proceed to the next step. Otherwise, try a different name until you find one that's available. Once your desired email address is available, tap on Create Email Address. Then you will have to enter new password for iCloud. Then you have to write again in the Verify tab. Then you have to give your phone number. Then it will verify by sending text message or phone call. It will send PIN code. Then swipe down and then agree to the terms and conditions. After completing the verification process, your iCloud account will be set up and ready to use. You can access it through various Apple services and devices. And there you have it, folks. Creating an iCloud account on your iPhone is a simple and straightforward process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.